Philly Comic Examiner here, unboxing the latest Marvel Collector Core blind box from Funko. As you can see from the image up in front of you, the theme this time around is Spider-Man Homecoming, based on the forthcoming movie courtesy of Sony in collaboration with Marvel Studios. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's see. Okay, my hashtag Funko production last time around for this one I think was like maybe unmasked homemade costume or something, which I'm pretty sure Funko already announced as, you know, part of their regular Spider-Man Homecoming pop line, so another big zero for me on the predictions. But let's see what we have. Alright, well, we have a nifty Spider-Man logo, well, not really logo, but a symbol of Spider-Man collector pin, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's different than the regular just headshot. I think there's already a headshot. Well, there was already a Spider-Man box before, so it have to be a little bit different this time around. I think that pin accomplishes it more or less. We have the patch here. There's some of the artwork. Iron Man, Spider-Man featured on that. There we go. And the patch, your applicatory patch, courtesy featuring Vulture. Alright, nothing too special there. Let's dive in. We have the spoiler card here. We have the comic book. Alright. Ooh. Peter Parker's The Spectacular Spider-Man #1. Very nice, with a movie-themed cover. The light is shining right in that. There you go. Vulture and Spider-Man on the cover. Another fairly recent, not even sure if this is out yet, issue. Check the card. Spoilers everywhere. Oh, I don't know. I don't even see a credit for the work. Well, whatever. I don't see an artist on there, so can't credit the artist. Good job, whoever you were. Diving back in. You have your all right. You have a shirt, and it's got two things going for it that I like. One, it's not black, and two, it's not just like a cast shot, which I find to be uninspired. Midtown School of Science and Technology, much like the kind of the Xavier's T-shirt that came with the X-Men box. That's a cool design. I like that. That's fun. Something different. It's not the same old, you know, Funko Pop style, you know, movie cast T-shirt. So that's an improvement. All right, what else we got? Something small. I'll take them both out at once. All right, we got some mystery minis where there is no mystery. We have homemade suit Spider-Man. Whoop. And Vulture. I'm not sure. And then what else? Is that at the bottom of the box over there? It says. Alright, so that leaves only the pop that was pre-announced, or spoiled as some may call it. Thankfully, Funko has more or less started to put spoiler warnings on their pop reveals for their mystery boxes. But spoiled or not, this is a very cool looking pop figure. Spider-Man with the webbing underarms. I think that's cool. Here's the ultimate test. Funko has failed. It stands. Stands on its own, just as it should. Isn't that delightful? overall, that's a good looking pop. I was worried it would be too top heavy for some reason, but it is not. Whoop woo! I believe that's everything. Yep. Whoop. More artwork down in there. Alright, well, I think because of you hit your value because you have a t-shirt. Yeah, you get $20 t-shirt. It's not going to stay up now. You have your pop, which is, you know, whatever it is, $13 for a pop. 2 mysteries, which we could say are, let's get into these. Try to make these shorter, but whatever. Head's all twisted, but it's alright. That's cool looking. There you go, a little mystery mini vulture. Looking good. It's got the, as you can tell, the goggles are a little clear plastic on top. Nice little touch. That was easy open. Alright. Well, there you go. Homemade. Oh, the next little wonky on that one. I'll have to see if I can get that fixed up. But there's your homemade design. Homemade costume design. With that head like that, almost looks like a homemade figure. Alright, there's that. Here's your theme for next time. The first appearance Avengers, whatever that means. I mean, is that featuring all Avengers? Their first appearance? Any? Because certainly Justice and Firestar are not original members. Neither is Scarlet Witch or Vision, for that matter. Here's your info card. Oh, there you have it. Got your comic. Got your overall, you know, decent enough box. Yeah, a couple mystery minis you can have do battle. A nice looking pop. Your standard, you know, pin attach. Nice design to the t-shirt, and then you got a comic, which is always fun to read. So there you have it. I don't know. I don't have any guesses. I'll have to think on this. I'd more than welcome. I'd be happy with a Firestar. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at PA Comic Examiner. Thumbs up, thumbs down to the video. Comments are always welcome. Thank you for watching.